All right, tech enthusiasts, let's talk Apple. And oh boy, Apple has been all over the tech news today, causing quite the stir on multiple fronts. So grab your popcorn because there are 3 juicy stories we need to break down. First up, Apple's Vision Pro has finally debuted in China. But there's a twist. It's selling for a whopping 29,999 yuan, translating to 4,128 USD. That's nearly 18% higher than the US price of 3,500. Chinese consumers are having mixed reactions, flooding Weibo with debates on whether the higher price tag justifies the product's value. Despite the chatter, Apple stores in Beijing were packed with fully booked training sessions for the Vision Pro. Major Chinese companies like Tencent, Alibaba, and JD.com have already hopped on the Vision Pro train, integrating their apps. This move comes right after Apple resolved a trademark dispute in China last year, underlining the strategic importance of this market, which accounted for about 18% of Apple's revenue last quarter. Next, let's talk fintech. Apple has teamed up with buy now, pay later company Affirm to offer loans through Apple Pay. Even though Affirm's stock took a dip post-announcement, this collaboration could be a game changer. This move suggests Apple's in-house BNPL service, Apple Pay Later, didn't quite hit the mark, prompting the outsourcing. With Apple's massive user base, approximately 60 million Apple Pay users in the US alone, Affirm stands to gain significant exposure. If you're an Affirm investor, you might not be seeing the immediate results just yet, but this partnership is undeniably a massive opportunity for long-term growth. Affirm is already entrenched in the retail space, working with big names like Amazon, Walmart, and Shopify. So the addition of Apple to the mix could fuel its next big growth spurt. And finally, let's dive into the semiconductor splash. Cirrus Logic, the chipmaker that relies heavily on Apple, we're talking 87% of its revenue, has seen its stock skyrocket by 48% this year. Apple's AI ambitions have a lot to do with this upswing. With Apple planning to roll out AI-enabled features in the next-gen iPhones, the market is buzzing. JP Morgan analysts predict a solid upgrade cycle, potentially catalyzing major iPhone sales, which could mean big things for Cirrus Logic as they supply key components for these devices. The demand for AI-driven features could replicate the boom Apple saw with the 5G revolution, giving Cirrus room to continue its impressive growth trajectory. Now here's where I want to hear from you. What do you think about Apple's pricing strategy for the Vision Pro in China? Do you believe Affirm partnering with Apple can break new ground in the BNPL market? And are you as bullish on Cirrus Logic as a lot of tech analysts seem to be? Drop your thoughts in the comments, spill the tea, and let's get this conversation rolling. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.